A bushfire of this magnitude can either be a result of natural causes or due to human activity. This fire that has now engulfed the once lush green plains of some parts of the Kafue River, leaving a trail of ash, is a result of traditional bush burning activity. This has raised concern to government on the effect of bush burning, not only on the ecosystem in the Kafue River plain, but also on how such human activity will exacerbate effects of climate change. Southern Province Minister Credo Nanjua, who has led a team of technocrats, visited fishing camps along the Kafue River in Mazabuka, Monze, Namwala, and Iteziteji districts to heighten sensitization against this vice.
Kambo kutwahira gono basa kambo kakutenta masanga na kumpa bwisu isogwe gajirija kusobana olabulyo bwendo machezi bwali yanesanga wayita buti walitenta omana walipunda atinya mpwa mulilo yeda jagamana so atusebezera ntomwi muntu atentesanga mwamujita report.
Other ministers are also equally concerned about this situation.
Catching fish is not about banning. That science is a wrong science and you must stop. I'll keep on sending my officers to come and explain to you better ways of managing our natural water bodies so that we don't compromise with the production of fish.
Because kuli climate change twabula efyakulya. Because kuli climate change twabula amenshi. Ifunde lya kyalo nga wawoche chani mayezi yanga ni 14 years no mandefu anundepo nga twakusanga na file vya kochera kwechani ni 7 years.
The community have received these submissions.
Omwamba guti muntu umpa sokwe ngu 14 years kwangwa ali musunu baibuku beso aba buli mwiminizi wabwa mami yakuti nakuba kuti mwana akwe umpa sokwe nakuba kuti muntu uli buti umpa sokwe waja twabo ono twatambula tujisinguzilibo twanyina nguzu.
Liseli Semusole reporting for Zanis, Southern Province.